It's Monday, July 20th, 2020. And we have sold a macro plate washer. We purchased it for $20 at the University of Memphis auction. We sold it for $240. We've also sold 23 rolls of bias tape, which is a sewing material. This is going to a woman in West Virginia who's going to use it to crochet baskets. I bought them on a Facebook deal for $1 a piece. Sold them for $2.50 a piece plus shipping. Came to $65 plus shipping. So we have to take these two packages to Walgreens because that's the closest FedEx drop-off location. And while we're out, we're going to do a little bit of basic shopping, and we're going to check and see if our flooded thrift store has reopened. All right. That's what I got. I'd like to have all these. They sell well. I've sold them before. It's just, you're going to invest $3 and probably make a $2 profit. And that's just not enough. It may take a while to sell through them all. So hopefully they'll go down again. I don't like it. It's pre-priced. This is what I got. I picked out the ones that were more valuable. Seem to be selling for more money. Of course, there's only one of these. There's quite a few of the sloths. And it seems to be about all I can find. Sometimes this Burt's Bee Balm stuff can be worth money. I looked it up. It doesn't seem to be worth all that much. We're going to leave it. Well, we spent $100. I could have invested that $100 in other product that would have got me a greater return on investment. But this was here. It's new items, which will sell around Christmas for a good profit. Right now the price is depressed. I've explained this before. When it goes on clearance, everybody runs out and buys it, and then they go to eBay and they put it up for sale and the price drops. Well, if you can afford to wait till Christmas, or wait till those people sell theirs, you can get a higher price for yours. Usually, not 100% of the time. It's a gamble. eBay's a gamble. Reselling's a gamble. Life's a gamble. But anyway, spent $100. Got a bunch of Beanie Boos, and got some Play-Doh things, and the Minecraft, and the Legos. Everything else we left. We hope it goes down again, but you can't never count on it. And you can't count on being around to catch it when it does go down. So I bought what I felt confident in, and that's all you can do. We're going to head on to the next place. Probably not going to do a whole lot of retail arbitrage today. This might be it. I know it looks like I'm at a clothing store, but this is actually a scratch and dent grocery store that also sells clothing. And they usually have some pretty good stuff. In here, in any of these scratch and dent banana box type discount grocery stores, you're looking for discontinued items. You're looking for, well, in this one, you're looking for dog medication or pet medication. I bought a whole bunch of bottles of PFZ Puffer, which is like a sulfur-based wound thing for animals. Bought it for 99 cents, sold it for $16. So, yeah, you can make money here. They also sell Wolfgang Puck and Curtis Stone type items, you know, cookware. And sometimes there's a decent profit, sometimes there's not. But we're going to go in and take a quick look and see what we can get, just because, well, you know, that's what we do. Is it whirly? Well, that was a good pickup on the ink, don't you think? $5, selling for anywhere from $25 to $35. It's still in date. It's still in date. No, it's not. It expired in May. That's right. It expired in May, which is pretty close to end date. These things, these are Whirlies, which is out of Pennsylvania. It's American made, and they were mispriced. I don't know if you could tell. They had priced them at $19.99. Actual price was $1.99, so nobody touched them. So I was the only person, I guess, that went up there and said, "Hey, is this the right price?" And they're like, "No, it's not the right price." I'm like, "Well, don't bother to reprice them, because I'll buy them all." It looks like I'll be able to get $11 and something plus shipping. So, good enough for me. You know, I love my Whirly drink cups, so we're going to head on to Walmart and try not to buy anything else, because we spend enough money. These boots have been sitting right here at the same price since early March. Originally $34.97, now marked down to $30. Whoa, what savings. So the only ones that are cheap are the ones that aren't steel toe, so they're not worth as much. They were only $20. So anyway, there they sit. Can't make no money, so I'm gonna leave them there again. You see what I see? $5, right? We bought one of these up here last week for $3.50. So I don't understand why it would be $5. So we're going to check the price on this and see what it actually is. $5. I don't understand it. But it's going back. It's damaged anyway. But yeah, $3.50 one week, $5 the next. That's Walmart for you. We're in the back of Walmart, what people call the hidden clearance, all the way back in the back. And we've been looking, not seeing much that we can make a profit on. Everything's just too high. Then I saw this. I'm gonna look it up. Okay. This one's worth it, and this one's worth it. So we're gonna get both of those. Sometimes you just gotta ignore that original price, man. Look it up, see what it's selling for online. Don't matter what it's sold for here. We're gonna call it right here. We appreciate you being with us. Check out Man Mountain Link next time. Over and out.
Middle of the Bering Sea, it's nothing compared to this pandemic.
Wear your damn mask. It ain't hard at all.
Don't make me come find you.
I'm Donald Trump, and I wish you were dead.
Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.